guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is soon to be Dr. aka edu_curls here, also known as Nia. Sorry y'all, I'm still adjusting to the name. And welcome back. Today, as you can tell from the title of this video, we're gonna actually talk about refreshing, and I'm so excited, y'all, because I've never really been able to refresh my hair, like ever. And I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I did, how it looked when I refreshed this week. So basically, my hair has hit a length where I need to be able to go the full week without hopping back in the shower and doing my whole wash and go process again, because I take my hair out, I, deep condition, I shampoo, and then I really work product in to get it all over my hair. And it takes about 45 minutes to do it well. Every time I do it, and that's just the styling part. That's not the wash, that's not the deep condition, it's not all the other pieces. So I've been trying to figure out a way to make it stretch so that I can go from Saturday to Saturday, which is my typical deep condition routine, like Friday evening to Saturday, if I sleep with deep conditioner or steam or what have you, and go that time, like the 7 days in between, so that I don't have to rewash my hair. And I found, I think, my hack. So I've been trying this for a few weeks. This week I actually caught it on film, and so I'm bringing it to you today. So this is my refresh routine. I want to frame that the way that this refresh routine works is it's really strong because I lay a really good foundation for moisture in my wash and go on my wash day. So I will say that as of late, I've been using the Honey Hydrate and mixing it with either my Almond Dye or my curlz moisture milk. I've also used it alone, but I really, really like mixing it because I think it gives me a pack of moisture that is just unmatched. The Honey Hydrate for me is just it's over moisturizing. And so because of that, it works really, really well with this routine. And so that is my base. Before I even, get into needing to refresh, that is the wash day that I just did. Because of that, I have a level of moisture in my hair that allows me to do this refresh and not have to reapply a ton of base products like my leave-ins, like my butters, like my Honey Hydrate. And I can kind of go in with mousse and gel. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So, sidebar conversation. Today, what's in my hair is Honey Hydrate, curlz moisture milk, and then the Sexy Curl Mousse by the Doux, and my curl maker. I added a layer of mousse just to see if it gives me, better definition and elongation. So far, so good. So we'll see what that looks like. But typically, I just go from my Honey Hydrate and my either Almond Dye or curlz moisture milk to my gel and just call it a day. But I wanted to try this out to see how it works. So that's what's in my hair right now, because I know someone's going to ask that question. I know it has really, really great shine, which I absolutely love. Honey has been doing it for me when it comes to moisture. And so that's also really exciting because I used to really love the Design Essentials Honey Curl Forming Custard. It did a weird layered thing to my hair, so I kind of left it alone. But I think I'm intrigued now, and I think I'm going to see what products have a base of honey that I can start to integrate in deep conditioners and other products as well. So we'll see what happens as I trial that. But back to the original point of this story. What you're going to see in this clip is just what that looked like all together when I show you my hair and kind of what it looked like and how shiny and defined and beautiful it looked. And so stay tuned for that clip. Hi guys, welcome back. Peace, love, favor. I hope your day is going well. I wanted to talk about refreshing my curls because y'all would look at this and be like, Nia, this is a first day wash and go. It's not, friends, it's not. Okay, so let's talk about it. Basically, what I did on Saturday was I did a wash, deep condition. I styled my hair with my Honey Hydrate, a little bit of my Almond Dye and curl maker. It is now Tuesday. And so basically what happens is when my hair, I love those products because they're super moisturizing, but there is a step or a layer that happens then where my hair gets really frizzy because it is so moisturized and I need to re-up. So today I chose to refresh, and I refreshed with mousse and gel, which seems so strange, but basically the moisture that was in my hair was still really good from the Honey Hydrate and the curl maker. And so I went in section by section, sprayed it down with water, applied the Doux to that entire section, all over, sectioned it out, and then at the end I took Curly Magic and literally smoothed it into every section. And this is the hair that I got. Okay, it's now completely dry. I did it this morning. Okay, looks good. Looks beautiful, okay? So if you haven't tried refreshing with your favorite mousse and another layer of gel, I would give it a shot, especially if your hair can be reactivated really easily. This just showed me that my hair really does like to be reactivated, which is a win. I've never used the gel as a second layer. I've always just used mousse to refresh, but y'all, it's giving. It looks so good. So defined, so moisturized. Bomb. Just saying. I hope that you really enjoyed that clip. I hope you got to dive in, got to see some of the things I've been doing with my hair. If you have comments or follow-ups, please don't hesitate to leave them. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with friends, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye, guys.